In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently stop notifications from iDraw app. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you have been receiving a lot of alerts or pop-up notifications from iDraw app and you'd like to permanently stop them, it's pretty simple. Just go ahead and look for your app and then long press on it. If you long press on it, you should see we have the second option, app info. Go ahead and tap on it and this will take you to the iDraw app info page. Here, look for the section called permissions, and other permissions you should see notifications. You can see currently notifications is turned to yes, and if I tap on it, all these type of notifications ranging from permanent notifications, vibration, play sound notifications, as well as floating notifications, just to mention a few, are all turned on. For this reason, that's why you have been receiving all those pop-up notifications. Now, instead of just toggling off one by one here, just go ahead and turn off this option, show notifications. If you turn this off, you'll never again receive any pop-up notifications or alerts from iDraw app unless you go ahead and turn this on again. So from now henceforth, this problem would have been solved. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.